So I went to stop for the night, and Edge Products I went to plug in at the hotel to see if there was an update, and evidently there was.
Hey, 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 ice, drip, white, wrist, bad bitch, she fit.
It told me to just, even though I'm already running stock, to flash my computer back to stock or program it back to stock, which is what I did here. And I'll wait for it to go through all of its little processes here in a minute. And once all of that happens, as it's programming the ECM now, it'll then program the traction control module. And then, once all that's done, I can go back inside, plug in the laptop, and see. There we go. All right. And I'm at a little place. It had 8.5 stars. That's why I picked it. I didn't have really much choices. I had a Super 8, America, something in, and then this one. So, when you're in the boonies, there's not a lot of Marriotts. So, anyways, I'll update it here in a minute.
I legit hit a skunk. I don't see anything, but I smell straight skunk. And not like the good skunk smell, like, it's not like a weed smell. I don't see any guts or anything, so I don't know.
So I should actually be sleeping right now, but Edge Products says they sent an update to this. I plugged it in. Took about 20 minutes. They sent an update to it. Supposedly it's fixed and it will disable active fuel management. Let's find out. All right, so I have the car on now at this point. You can see the CS2 Evolution on, right? Now, I'm going to let this thing come up. Now, they said it was going to take a couple of minutes. Yep, detecting. All right. Going to go to Chevy. Yep, it is in the run position. Now, I did say it would take a couple minutes to unpack whatever the hell it got, or whatever software it got. They said up to 2 minutes, so I'm willing to wait and see. Now, look, this is the last straw for this device. Now, if they sent an update and this actually works, so be it. I will sing this thing's praises if they've now figured it out so that when future customers buy it, because that's how these tuners work, right? Usually when they figure it out on one computer, that software can work on multiple computers. I just find it very hard to believe that I'm the first person to bring a Tahoe, because it's the same ECU, it's the same thing since basically 2015, right? It's nothing new here. So let's go home. Let's go to programming. Let's go to street. Would I like to make... Yeah, I got it. Continue. Validating the stock. Create a custom program. I'm going to say yes because I want to make sure active fuel management is off. So you can see it there. It says off. All right. So let's continue programming. Oh, come on. And of course it's frozen. There it is. It's unlocking the module. That was weird. It just like froze for a second. Now it's supposed to be unlocking the module. Now we're going to see. It better not break my damn truck. That's all I know right now. And I just want to show this because people don't believe this, man. They're like, I've had people literally hit me up on Facebook in Messenger. They didn't even want to put a public comment out there and talk about how great this company is, and they use it on their diesels and all of that. And I'm like, all right, that's all fun and good, like, all right, sounds good, you know what I'm saying? But where I'm sitting right now, this thing is doing absolutely nothing. You know what I'm saying? Nada, zilch, zero. So, I got to keep it a buck, man. I got to keep it a buck. And if this thing is not working, like right now, it looks like it's frozen, right? I'm literally going to have to unplug this shit. There's nothing going on with the truck, right? There's nothing going on here. Hold on. I'm like, you know what? Let me do it from down here. Because now I'm like, this is crazy, man. All right, I unplugged it. I plugged it back in. Oh, I'm trying to give this thing the benefit of the doubt, man. But I just, like, I don't know, man. I don't know. You guys are seeing it. You guys are seeing it, not in real time. I mean, I'm making a video out of it, but it's just like, I don't want anybody to be like, you didn't give him no chance, TK. You know, you're just roasting them just to roast them. No, man. I'm trying. I want this to work. I want this to work in the worst way, man. Now it's like taking forever to do anything. Now I'm just like, before it was like, bloop, flash, cool. Maybe because it's actually communicating with the truck now. I don't know. I don't know. All right, here we go. Loading gauges, right? Cool. I got 12.4 volts. That sounds about right. All right, let's go in here. We're going to go to programming. All right, we're going to go down to street, which is an 87 tune. This level, yep, I get it. I don't even want a custom tune. I'm just going to, because the last time I tried a custom tune, it just tripped. Nope, I don't care about a custom tune. Building calibration files. Okay, this is new. This is definitely new. I can say that. Huh. Well, I don't need, you guys don't have to like eat up the minutes of just sitting here waiting. Uh-oh, unlocking the module. It's doing something new. Uh-oh. Uploading the bootloader. Uh-oh. Hey, all right. When this gets done, it's programming the ECM, and then it's going to program the TCM, and then I'm going to come right back. And we'll, you know, open a door and all that good stuff to make sure the truck has been off and reset, and resets the computer. And we'll see if, you know, that V4 BS is gone. It did the same thing like last time. It did the uploading bootloader stuff that it hasn't done previously. So that's maybe a positive sign. Still programming the TCM. And then traction control should turn back on. You can see it says it's off right now, right? ABS is lit up, all that other BS. Those will both turn off once this gets done programming. So hopefully when this is done, we'll fire this damn thing up and we'll see right now in real time. Look, the hotel I'm in is so old school. It has a key. When have you seen the hotels outside of like the super like rundown joint? But this is a nice joint, like shag carpet and everything. And I was like, man, they got old school keys. Can't beat that. All right. Let's see what we get here. Programming the TCM. Almost done. It's almost done. I'll probably just add this to another video for y'all too. Not just make it one video. I don't know. Maybe I'll throw this at the end of a copart video or something for y'all. Depends on how long the video, how much footage I end up getting out of this. Let's see. All right, it's done. Look at that. Did you see the little thing, ding, 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 do its thing? All right, we're now on level 3. You can see it right there. We're on street, which is an 87 tune. I'm gonna go home, so I get my gauges. All right, gauges should pop up. We're good. Let's fire it up. Or actually, my bad, I almost messed up. Yeah, I know, I need washer fluid. Let me open the door, okay? Now that powers down the truck. God, it smells like skunk out there, man. It's weird because I don't understand. I must have hit a skunk. I had to have, man. It just smells like, I can't even say it smells like badussy. It's just foul. All right. Everything looks good. We're gonna go into reverse. Oh shit. I left my luggage outside. Wow, I just saw it in the backup camera. Wow, damn, I was literally in the bed. If I didn't get this update, my luggage would have been gone in the morning. I can't believe I left the luggage behind the truck. That tells me I'm tired, man. All right. Let's see. Let's see if this V4 crap is gone. I really hope it is. Something tells me though. that as much as I want it gone, it ain't gonna be. But we're gonna see though. We're gonna see. You know, I'm all about giving the company the benefit of the doubt, right? All right, let me put my seatbelt on just so we ain't gotta deal with this BS. All right. Woo! That's nice. All right, we're good. Coasting. I'm not seeing any V4 yet. I'm kind of happy about that. No V4 yet. Oh, there it is. That's it. I'm done. I'm done, man. Look, they cannot say I didn't give them multiple chances, man. Come on.
Finish him.
You gotta be kidding me. How is it? How the F is it that y'all can't just turn that shit off? But like in range or something, which doesn't do anything, it's not flashing anything to the computer outside of making the truck think that it's under load. Works. I don't understand this. And this is crazy because y'all are gonna say, see, you should have just returned it already. TK, you should have just returned it. And I know, and look, luckily I didn't have to get far from the hotel. And I don't really notice much else tune-wise. You know, like, I don't know. All I do know is that V4 mode is still there. You can see it with me in real time. There it is again.
Fatality.
So, look, man, I have to say it. As much as that's cool, that thing is literally just a monitor. It is not worth no $800 with an install. So, in my opinion, this is not a good look. So, but look, man, I want to be very clear about this. This is not on four-wheel parts. I asked for a way to turn it off. This was what they recommended because, you know, they have to go by like all the California rules or whatever BS. And look, I respect them 100%. This is not on four-wheel parts. So, y'all, please don't be trolling them and giving four-wheel parts drama or issues over this. This is 100% on Edge products. I mean, I'm just keeping it a buck. I just did the update. I took the update. I did everything right and trash. Nothing new. Nothing new at all. So I'm literally going to go back here to the hotel. I'm going to flash this thing back to stock or whatever it says stock is. And that's going to be it for me. I'm done. Because it just, look, man, you see, someone's going to say that I'm not being fair. And they're going to say, oh, you're not being fair. You're just being mean to them. Nah, I don't think so. I think I've given them more than enough chances to get this right. And I'm just, at this point, I'm just done. I think I've earned the right to be done. Don't you think I've been more than patient with this product? I don't know. That's just me. So that will probably be the last time you see anything from this company, this Edge products, because from where I'm at right now, this does absolutely nada, zilch, nothing. And I'm going to go into programming and I'm going to go right back to stock right now. Oh, I must have clicked cancel stock. Yep, I want to continue. Nope, I don't need a custom program. It's going to unlock the module. I'm just going to go back to stock and, you know, I'll deal with four-wheel parts, and more than likely I'll have to ship that thing back to them in West Palm Beach. And they can just mail me a gift card or a store credit or something that I can use at four-wheel parts somewhere else. I mean, look, man, I think I've been more than patient dealing with this whole fiasco. And I'm just done, man. I mean, how many weeks has it been? 2 weeks? 3 weeks? 3 weeks, I think, now. I'm at $800 into this in 3 weeks, and I still don't have a working product. I can't just continue to take L's waiting for them to get it right. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know anybody else that would do that. That's just me. You know what I'm saying? Me personally, I don't know, man. I just can't do it. I just can't do it. But anyways, it's going to go ahead and finish flashing its stock TCM back to the truck. I'm going to unplug it, and I'm going to remove the suction cup and all that, put all of its stuff back in its box, and then I will deal with, I guess, four-wheel parts tomorrow at some point. But that's it, man. I give up. Now it's time to test something like InRange or something else. And to be honest, I didn't notice a difference, tune-wise. Some things are subjective. You feel like, oh, it's quicker on the throttle or it's quicker on this. But what I wanted it for was literally to disable that V4 crap so I don't have that valve failure later on in its life. Obviously, I put a lot of miles on my vehicles, okay? I drive my vehicles. I do. And I really need them to perform the way I want. And, if you sell me a product and you say your product's worth $800 and they can do X, Y, and Z, then it should do X, Y, and Z. But don't put in your menu that you can turn off AFM when you can't, because where I'm at right now, it's not turning off active fuel management. So anyways, guys, I was excited for absolutely nothing. I thought for sure that after, the company getting on them and Four Wheel Parts getting on them, that they had fixed the issue and everything was done. But unfortunately, it's not. We're still in the same boat, and you got to see it here in real time. No one's going to be able to say that I didn't give them every opportunity to get this right. I waited 3 weeks, man. I mean, I don't know what else I'm supposed to do. Programming is complete. My truck is now back to stock. I'm done. There you go. Look, man, I was more patient than probably most. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. That is the end of the story for that right there.
Fatality.
I'm probably wrong for that, but I'm tired of it, man. I'm tired of it. All right, bye. Damn.